Keep that flow steady on Sector 4. Watch the pressure gauges. Copy that. Increasing vibration now. Today, we're building one of the world's most powerful hydroelectric dams from the ground up.
Every successful mega project begins with careful planning and accurate land surveys.
Heavy machinery prepares the site for one of the biggest engineering projects ever built.
The dam needs an incredibly strong foundation that can withstand enormous water pressure.
Thousands of tons of high-strength concrete create the backbone of the entire structure. The dam begins rising layer by layer, with precision and powerful machinery. Every section is carefully measured to guarantee maximum strength and stability.
Weeks of non-stop construction transform the valley into a world-class engineering site.
Spillway gates safely control water flow during storms and heavy rainfall. The powerhouse is where moving water is transformed into clean, renewable electricity.
Each giant turbine is designed to generate electricity for hundreds of thousands of homes. Advanced electrical systems prepare the dam to deliver reliable power across the region. These tunnels direct powerful water flow straight to the energy-producing turbines.
The top of the dam also serves as an important transportation route.
Engineers perform extensive safety tests before allowing the reservoir to fill. The reservoir begins storing billions of gallons of fresh water.
The force of flowing water spins the turbines to generate clean hydroelectric power. Electricity travels through the power grid to homes, businesses, and industries.
This engineering masterpiece provides renewable energy, flood protection, and reliable water storage.
The mega dam now stands as a symbol of engineering excellence and innovation.
From a wild river to a world-class hydroelectric dam, this incredible project showcases the power of engineering and innovation.
The spillway safely releases excess water during heavy rainfall and protects nearby communities.
Every second, these turbines convert the force of water into clean, renewable energy.
Advanced monitoring systems keep the dam operating safely around the clock.
The electricity generated here powers millions of homes, schools, and businesses.
The reservoir also creates new opportunities for tourism, fishing, and recreation.
Reliable water storage helps farmers grow crops even during dry seasons. Flood control systems protect downstream towns from dangerous seasonal flooding.
Navigation locks allow large ships to travel safely along the river. Environmental restoration helps protect local ecosystems around the reservoir. Routine inspections ensure the structure remains strong and secure for decades.